rise, oh compatriot. Hello, my people. You're welcome to the Aproko Show. Now here be one-on-one TV. Any gist where you find, when I hear you go find out. Nigeria is under attack. Where the IGP now don't come say SWAT. I know say most of you don't hear about this SWAT. Why? What is the need of SWAT? If you now see, they say now na training, say they suppose undergo training, and before they select you for the training, you suppose undergo a psychological and mental or medical examination. This thing suppose they tell you something. All those people where they SARS before, now they say they know undergo this thing because all of them just they behave like mad people everywhere. If you see training, I beg, for una we never watch this video, una we never hear about SWAT, make we watch the video.
Higher, 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 higher. I want to see Maria.
The bikers will move out.
Sir. Yo! Active guard! Position! Take!
Yeah!
One! Three!
Yeah!
Four!
Yeah!
Five!
Yeah!
One!
Yeah! Yeah!
Two!
Yeah! Yeah!
Three!
Yeah! Yeah!
Four!
Yeah! Yeah!
See them. Even one way get pot belly. Wait till you define for SWAT. Wait, that one now, if they chase her, I'm not even sure say if you run. Now you won't go save person life. Look at her. I don't know whether na dance, I been a kung fu then they do. You know what, Cham? The only person where look like he gets more sense for them na the one where wear black, the leader. Now only that one. I don't know why they suppose approve this kind of thing. I still they wonder why. What is the need? When the ENDSARS, SARS self, una never do anything about it, una come they bring another set of people inside the matter. I even hear say Minister of Police Affairs even join, say him come out, come they check wetin they go on for the place, say they check them out. All of una just they blind. All of una just they blind. But SWAT people, una self now una blind pass. You people don't know your future. You don't know when to move forward. If una no get work to do, look for better job. Go. I not even sure say una even go school because people wey go school suppose to know. By now, nobody suppose tell una say this thing na useless. No be me talk am. Una go soon hear am now. Say SWAT have scatter. No be only ENDSARS. Now we go the hear end SWAT. Make una wait. Nigeria does not need SARS. Nigeria does not need SWAT. Work on your government. It is as simple as that. Work on your government. You don't need all those things. And Buhari, you are my major problem because you have been sleeping on these things for long. You have been sleeping. Wake up. If una dey come out for una house, make una dey careful because now Nigerian soldiers they work with measuring tape. All those tape wey tell us they use, they go measure you. Now they get what? I beg government give us the required measurement so that as we dey comot for house, you go check mirror, know where the clothes they reach. Because now they flog people. they flog people wey dress anyhow according to them, indecent dressing. So they work out with measuring tape now. If they see you for road, hey, come here, they go measure you. If wetin you wear short pass the required measurement, your own don't finish be that. Now so this soldier just meet this girl, they waka for road on her own, jeje. Hey, now so he start the flog. If you see flog, I not even sure say they beat person like even robbers. If you see how they flog, like say na him father, like say na him papa, he flog. Oh, see, for now we never watch this video. Let's go there.
Don't put down. Don't put down.
Leave her now.
Don't put down. I said don't put down.
Una don't see him. Una don't see how he flogged this girl. Oh, I beg. Let me put this man picture. You. Are they sure say you like that girl? Are they? Because now, see, he get the one where if you toast girl finish, the girl no green, now so you go just misbehave. Are they sure say maybe he ask the girl you want run 1 or 2 with the girl, where the girl say no. He can't turn am to him. No, her dressing was not decent. Your children are in the house. Have they dressed finish? Your dressing is not decent. Or you are now her father. You be in papa now. Where they try checking dressing. See, all these people I don't understand because see, if you now understand what they talk, now go they feel me. Boko Haram come, they terrorize everywhere. They terrorize people. They not come out oh. They not come out say they go do their work. They hide because even them they fear the Boko Haram people. Why you not come outside? Soldiers, when Boko Haram they reign everywhere. Boko Haram, when I not come outside, I not do anything about the case. But now you they face. See, are they vex? Now you they face citizens wearing dress no fine. What thing concern you and people dress? What thing concern you? See, all these things they pay me because you know if you try them abroad. Abroad, their system they different, they smooth. Not be so they kidnap one US guy for Niger. See how they rescue the guy, no stress. They strategize the whole thing. They rescue him. Nigeria, try him. Like I tell you, if you be Nigerian, where they kidnap you for any other country, now die be your name. No even bother yourself, no stress yourself because nobody go rescue you. You go just die in silence. We go just hear say this person was kidnapped and they go even they lie on top that we tried to rescue him, but na lie. All are lies. Una no even know what all these things they make me laugh. They make me laugh. So my people, I want know una opinion for this matter. The thing, how they do you, what you think. I'm waiting you no think. I won't know drop her there. I will get back to you. Now here be the Aproko Show. Don't forget any news where you find, you go get them for this place. See ya later.